Why are LangChain Output Parsers breaking? We're gonna dive deep into fixing them.
Hello, I'm the Code Architect and welcome. Today, we're diving deep into LangChain Output Parsers, crucial for structuring LLM responses. We'll explore how to define schemas, handle complex outputs, and manage errors effectively. This video will give you the skills to confidently build applications that require structured data from large language models. Get ready to transform raw LLM output into usable, predictable information. Imagine you're building a customer service chatbot. You want to extract specific information like order numbers, delivery dates, and contact information from user queries. Without output parsers, LLMs provide unstructured text, making it difficult to automatically process this data. Output parsers provide the structure. We'll cover how to transform the raw text from the LLM into a structured JSON object that your application can easily use. This will allow us to build reliable systems. At the heart of output parsing is the concept of defining a schema. Think of a schema as a blueprint that tells LangChain what kind of data to expect from the LLM. We define these schemas using Pydantic, a powerful Python library for data validation and settings management. Pydantic allows us to specify the data types, required fields, and even validation rules for each piece of information we want to extract. This ensures that the output is consistent and reliable. Let's look at a practical example. Suppose we want to extract a person's name and age from an LLM response. We can define a Pydantic class called person with fields for name, string, and age, integer. We can add validation to make sure the age is a valid number, say between 0 and 120. LangChain will then use this schema to automatically parse the LLM's output and return a person object with the extracted information, ready for use in your code. Building upon the schema definition, we'll explore how LangChain uses these schemas to structure LLM responses consistently. Crucially, this addresses reliability. LangChain provides built-in output parsers for common data types like JSON and lists. Think of these as translators, converting LLM text. Custom output parsers allow tailor-made structures. Imagine needing a specific XML format. A custom parser can enforce that structure. Let's return to our earlier chatbot example. By using output parsing, we ensure the chatbot consistently extracts name and email. Now that we've seen how output parsing ensures structured responses, let's dive into handling more complex scenarios. What happens when the LLM returns invalid data? Imagine the LLM returns a malformed JSON object. Without proper error handling, your application might crash or behave unpredictably. LangChain offers robust mechanisms. We can define a retry mechanism within the output parser. If parsing fails, LangChain can automatically retry the LLM call specified number of times. Alternatively, we can implement a default response. If parsing consistently fails, the output parser returns a predefined, valid structure, ensuring application stability. Building on default responses, we can also implement advanced parsing logic. This involves custom functions to handle complex data structures. Imagine needing to extract nested data from a deeply structured JSON. Custom logic allows precise data extraction, even with complex schemas. To illustrate, consider extracting product details from an e-commerce API. We can write a custom parser that handles variations. This parser would handle potential missing fields. It also converts data types, ensuring consistency in the output. This makes it robust. Building upon our custom parser, let's explore using Pydantic Output Parser for robust data validation in LangChain. It leverages Pydantic models for structure. Pydantic Output Parser ensures type coercion, default values, and input validation, catching errors early. Define your desired output using Pydantic models. Consider a scenario where you need to extract information about books. Using Pydantic, ensure the title is a string, author is a string. In summary, LangChain Output Parsers offer powerful tools for structuring LLM responses. They ensure data integrity, type safety, and handle complex output formats.
Like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more AI insights. I'm the Code Architect. See you soon.